Today, I'm putting this powerful 360 degrees long-range TV antenna to the test to see if I can really get 120 free channels. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. This antenna promises to provide access to numerous channels without monthly fees, which sounds like a game changer for those tired of expensive cable subscriptions. Cable subscriptions can be a real hassle, with long-term contracts and hidden fees that can add up quickly. Many people are looking for a way to cut the cord and save some money, but they're not sure where to start. Traditional TV service can be limited, with a lack of channel options and poor reception in some areas. This can be frustrating, especially for those who enjoy watching a wide variety of shows and movies. People are often stuck with a handful of channels they never watch, and they're still paying a high monthly fee. This is why many are turning to alternatives like streaming services or antennas. The problem with streaming services is that they can be expensive, and they often require a reliable internet connection. A reliable and cost-effective alternative is needed, one that can provide access to a wide range of channels without breaking the bank. This is where the 360 degrees long-range TV antenna comes in, promising to deliver high-quality reception in a wide range of channels. The 360 degrees long-range TV antenna has a range of up to 120 miles, which is impressive. Its design is sleek and compact, making it easy to install in any home. The antenna works by picking up signals from nearby broadcasting towers, which are then amplified and sent to your TV. To get the most out of this antenna, it's essential to install it in the right location. This means finding a spot with a clear line of sight to the broadcasting towers, and avoiding any obstacles that could interfere with the signal. With a little patience and some tweaking, you can maximize the signal strength and get the best possible reception. The antenna is easy to assemble and install, and it comes with a user-friendly manual that walks you through the process. You can also fine-tune the antenna to pick up specific channels, which is handy if you have a favorite show or station. The features of this antenna make it an attractive option for those looking to cut the cord and save some money. With its long range and compact design, it's perfect for anyone who wants to access a wide range of channels without the hassle of cable. As I scan for channels, the excitement builds. Will I really be able to get 120 free channels? The antenna is picking up signals quickly, and the channel count is rising fast. I'm seeing a wide range of channels, from local stations to sports and news networks. The channels just keep coming, and I'm amazed at the reception quality. The picture is clear and sharp, with no interference or static. I'm getting channels I never thought I'd be able to receive, and it's all thanks to this powerful antenna. I'm impressed by the sheer number of channels I'm getting, and the variety is staggering. From kids' shows to documentaries, there's something for everyone. The antenna is performing beautifully, and I'm excited to see just how many channels I can get. As the channel count reaches 120, I'm thrilled. The antenna has delivered on its promise. I've got access to a wide range of channels, all for free, and the reception is top-notch. This is a game changer for anyone looking to cut the cord and save some money. Using the 360 degrees long-range TV antenna can save you a significant amount of money in the long run, and it provides access to a wide range of channels. With its ease of use and impressive reception quality, it's an attractive option for anyone looking to make the switch. Let me know in the comments if you've had any experience with antennas, and what you think of this 360 degrees long-range TV antenna. Be sure to check out my other videos for more tips on saving money on entertainment and cutting the cord.